deserve a bit of a creative paper mess, so I had fun this morning making some paper snowflakes. And yeah, I think we should never be, you know, afraid or feeling weird about making some childlike activities, because they can be so relaxing and fun and creative, and why not? This would be a new sort of videos, which I would probably call something like 3-minute inspiration. So trying to keep it short and just sharing with you a bit of some little creative things I like to do, maybe not on a daily basis, but as often as I can. So I hope this can inspire you too. I didn't paint the snow yet, but it's probably coming quite soon. I wish you a wonderful creative day, keep the inspiration flowing, subscribe if you want to the channel for more inspiration, and see you next time. Thanks for watching!